Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video we'll be unboxing this beast, the brand new iPhone, and it's the iPhone the Pro Max. Let's get into the video. To start off, this is the silver model, and if we quickly flip it over to the back, we'll be able to see that it's the Pro Max. And of course they're designed by Apple in California. So just before we get started, this is what the back looks like. You can see have all your information there, your tech, and I don't know what this is here. Something you gotta remove. Not entirely sure what it is. Well, we're unboxing this, so we'll find out. So if we take a look at the side, we can see the good old iPhone logo. Same thing with the other side right here. If we flip it to the top, you get the iPhone or the Apple logo. Same thing on the bottom. So let's open this up. Okay, so it turns out we have to remove these things here in order to get the phone open. So let's do that quickly. Alright, so I was right. Okay, this is really cool to take a look at, if I have to be honest with you. This looks like the iPhone 5. The texture on the back, you have your camera lens right there, and as they say, it looks like a frying pan thing, or your stove. It looks like a fidget spinner in my opinion. And yeah, this is looking so sleek. Oh, I almost spoiled myself. So, okay, so it does attract some fingerprints, but they go away after. You can take a look here. You can see the top. I'm going to put it up closer up to the camera. But you can see here, you have this line here, and it's all glass finish. Whoa, okay. And the side here, you have the silencing thing there, whatever you want to call it. The silencer, so you can silence your phone. Volume up and down buttons there. And this is where you insert your SIM card. And of course, this right here is the button to turn on the phone. And we're going to take this front part off right once we finish taking a look at everything else inside the box. So of course, you have your standard charger, and it is, let's see, USB, it's Thunderbolt to USB-C, and they've removed the USB-A, so it's USB-C now. They're being modern now, so that's pretty cool. And the last thing that we have inside here are just your manual stuff and the thing to put your SIM card in. So, now that we finished with the unboxing, we're going to put everything back inside, and let's get to the moment that we've all been waiting for. The reveal of the iPhone. Oh dang, that is slick. To be honest, I like this. Here it is, just a close-up. You can see at the top you have your front camera. It's kind of heavy. And I actually forgot to show what the bottom of this looks like. You have your Thunderbolt there. You have no headphone jack though, which is still a consistent thing. And your speakers, and yeah. Let's turn this bad boy on, because I'm excited to see this. Hold the power button. And there we go, we've got the icon come up. The screen looks really nice. I like it. Sorry for the reflection. Oh, wow, that is so cool. So, for the setup, all we'll do is swipe up, and there we go. So, that's it for the unboxing. So, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to subscribe to the channel, like our videos, and comment what you thought on this video. Thanks for watching, and hope you have a great day.